The zero-friction meter-to-cash platform creates invoices. To create an invoice, you not only need a consumption, you also need to have a contract and products with prices for the connection you want to invoice. In this part, you will learn about the possibilities of a contract and a product inside Zero Friction. As in all the Zero Friction overview pages, we get a clear overview such as the number of contracts, the contract number, contractor, product, supply period, status, serviced locations, and the services. In analogy to the other overview pages, you can easily filter in the search bar and export all the necessary information you need. At the top of the screen, we also get an overview of all types of contracts, active, to sign, or blocked. It's very user-friendly to make a new contract in Zero Friction, thanks to the Contract Creation Wizard. At first, we select the customer we are moving in. This can be either an existing customer or a whole new customer, in which case we have to fill in all the necessary customer information. Next up is the serviced location, in which we also have the possibility to choose between an existing location or a new location. Thirdly, and lastly, we configure the contract essentials such as optimal external reference, a start and possibly an end date, the product that will be used for invoicing, and the frequency of the invoices and advances, and lastly, the amount that will be advanced. The contract is now visible in draft, and with the action button, you can sign the contract to make it final. When a contract is signed, the customer will automatically get a welcome mail. On the contract number page, we can find all the contract information. We have all the details of the contract and the serviced location, as well as the billing details. Information such as advanced amount can easily be adapted. Here we also have a link to all past or current invoices. When a contract is ending, you can move out the customer with the Actions button and fill in the move-out date. You also have the option to fill in a meter reading or to change the invoice address when the customer has already moved to another address. Zero Friction will immediately make the end note, and when approved, it will be sent to the customer. Now I will give you an overview of what a product is and how a product is used in the Zero Friction platform. With a product, we define which services will be billed on the invoice. You can select the billing items by different billing calculation types. You can easily build up the tariffs based if your cost is fixed, tiered, stair-step, volume-based, or formula-based. It is also possible to add different tax codes or add cost components with time-sliced values. Thanks for tuning in. For a more in-depth demo, contact info@zerofriction.co.